Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Terisha and I'm a wife and stay-at-home mom of two beautiful daughters. I have a 4-year-old and a 6-month-old. In today's video, I will be tackling the kitchen. I'm doing a complete declutter, clean and organize in the kitchen, which is a long overdue, but I won't say it's so much long overdue because I did it like in November. But yeah, it's a new year and it's just something I normally do as a tradition. Just get everything clean, decluttered and reorganized. And I will be cleaning the cabinets, reorganizing everything, cleaning the appliances, and just a complete overall, and cleaning the walls. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're new here, welcome again. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know in the comments what type of content you enjoy seeing and what you want to see on this channel next. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a video. Now on this channel you will see tons of cleaning motivation, organizing, DIYs, just mommy stuff and lifestyle content. Practically anything I love. I love them. I haven't done it in a while though, because I just don't have the time, and my 5-month-old is pretty needy, so I haven't had the time to do my hair myself. But whenever I do get a chance, I really do enjoy doing my hair on my own. And whenever I do that, I normally film it, not all the time, but sometimes I do. Now guys, what I'm doing here is just cleaning out the cabinets. As you can see, I don't have a lot of counter space, so to take everything out of all the cabinets all at once, so I have to go cabinet by cabinet and just get them all out. Now here we do a lot of meal prepping, like we do a lot of food storage, because we don't cook like every single night, so we use these dishes to store food in the refrigerator. And my husband sometimes take lunch to work, and it was a complete disaster in that cabinet. Like the lids kept falling out. It was just a complete mess. So I figured I would just use one of these little baskets from the Dollar Tree and store my lids in and store the plates in, and it is such a game changer. I ain't gonna lie. I'm like, why didn't I think of this sooner? But it works so much, and I have everything organized. Ain't nothing falling out when I open the cabinets now. And I can just grab the basket, pick up a plate if I want, and just put it right back, and it remains organized. And that is such a game changer. Like if you haven't considered doing that before, definitely try. I'm using this basket for the utensils because all the drawers in the kitchen is completely packed, like with a lot of stuff. Like I need to tackle that drawer by itself. Like I couldn't do it this night because I would just press for time, and time was against me, so I'd have to do that on a different time. So all utensils are in that thing, and I put the cups in Tiana's cups in one of the basket. And now I'm just tackling the what's the thing called, the spice cabinet. Righteous. Now guys, this cabinet over here, I don't know if you can see from a distance. I mean, I should have probably zoomed up the camera or stuff, but that's how it is when you're trying to clean on a time crunch and try to film at the same time. And I was just cleaning everything out. I was trying to fit more baskets in this, but it just was not working. We have a lot, like way too much Ziploc bags, way too much foil paper, way too much everything. But my husband does a lot of grilling, and each time he grills, he just buys completely new, everything new for the grill. Like what I mean, he buys new Ziploc bag, new foil paper, new everything, pans, everything. So we always have leftovers, and that's where I stored them at the top. But this basket was not working, so I had to take the cups out and place the bottles out, and place them in the cabinet on its own because it just won't fit with the basket. And I know this is weird, but since I've been doing this organizing stuff, and I realize that using the basket it does help in some cases, and it does look really nice and make everything look organized and put together. But in some cases it just does not work for me. Like, I get a lot more things fit in the cabinet on its own without a basket than I do with the basket. Does that make any sense? I don't know, is that something that happens to me alone, or has anybody experienced that? Because I just don't know if it's my bad luck or whatnot. But I think I did a pretty good job despite the space and all that I have to get done. Now over the refrigerator, I'm putting hubby's extra grilling stuff and the mask and my breast pump, because the other cabinet couldn't fit it when I was done. And I'm just gonna quickly clean the microwave. I did do a deep clean the other day, so I'm just wiping it, and I try to clean the microwave like every 2 days. Yeah, so I'm just doing a quick wipe down, and yeah. And now I'm just wiping down the walls. Now guys, in an ideal world, I would love to clear everything off the counter and then clean it. But as I said, I'm in a tight, well, the kitchen is huge, but I don't have a lot of, I really wish I had an island, but that's a dream someday. I mean, definitely when we get home, definitely if it does not have an island, that's going to be a deal breaker. But yeah, so guys, I did not realize that the camera was out of frame when I was cleaning the oven, so I do apologize for that, but I ended up adjusting it afterwards. I can take it, I can make it better, baby. Run it away. So guys, you might have seen me walked out of the frame for a brief moment. That's because my newborn woke up from a nap and she was just going in at it, so I had to go get her and put it down. She's still going in at it. Like, if I was supposed to unmute this clip, Lord, you'll hear it in the background, just squealing a little bit out. But here, and I promise guys, I'm not talking to myself. I was trying to sing her to sleep, to have her get calm back down, because she likes that. But I guess she only likes it when she's in my arms, because it was not working. Time is mounting for my fingertips. How come, baby? Like I said guys, it was not working, so I eventually had to just go pick her up and just hold her. It was a struggle trying to get this cabinet clean and holding her like that, but I guess you just gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, as a mom, you gotta multitask all the time. So that's a skill you definitely need to develop if you don't have it. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. No, I never had love so fine. You mix it up with sugar and honey and spice. I wanna be a baby girl. how is your new year going so far? By the way, my apologies, happy new year's to everybody. Welcome to 2022. I am so happy and blessed to have made it this far along with all my family. We're still here despite the challenges, despite COVID. I mean, we still have life, we still have breath, we are still able to walk, speak, talk. So that alone I am grateful for. But how was the new year's serving y'all so far? And do you guys have any new year's resolution? If so, can you leave some in the comment down below? I know for me, one of my new year's resolution is definitely to be consistent here on YouTube and to grow this community. I will try because it's been a struggle being motivated to film, especially when you're crunched for time and you just got so much done. And I mean, if you're a mom, you know that being a mom is by itself a full-time job. Like, it's a 24/7 job. Whether you're a working mom or a stay-at-home mom, it's a full-time job on its own. So trying to find time for yourself and being a mom at the same time is really challenging. But motherhood is the best hood, to be honest. It has its challenges, but it's the best, and I won't change my kids for the world. Even though sometimes I want to like a little free time for myself now. But I will not change them for the world, even though they do drive me crazy at times. To be honest, but I love them to death, and I'm just happy and blessed that they get to call me mom, to be honest.
Cover my body in crystals and diamonds and lace. Kiss every inch of my body, never my face. Springtime is my favorite time of year. You and I like to lay low, sail out and sail low. Hold me tight and stormy night, and I wanna see the rainbow. Spring fly my petals, do you see my halo? Dive into my ocean, holding me in this big blue sea, breathing your ecstasy. Open up, come swim with me, come in my world, holding me in this big blue sea, breathing your ecstasy. Open up, come swim with me, come in my hold me like you never.
So guys, my next video will be on decorate and clean with me. I took my Christmas tree down earlier and I have filmed it, but I need to edit that video. And then I'm gonna be tackling my closet in the bedroom, the bathroom. I'm just gonna be reorganizing and decluttering the entire house for this season. So a lot of cleaning motivation, a lot of cleaning content coming, so stick around for that, guys. I promise y'all we're gonna enjoy it, and I'm doing everything on a budget, like everything on a budget.
Drink juice from the sweetest berries and dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by. Smoke flowers just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bonds but we always plan them. Every heartbreak is a lesson.
As I'm about to come to an end, guys, I want to thank you so much for stepping by. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. I definitely did not get to wipe the floors because I was out of time. Tonight I was moving it, and I said whenever we got home I was also going to stop right there and finish whatever was left for the next day. So I'm so happy that he walked through the door right as I was doing the dishes. So I ended up wiping the floors the following day. And don't mind that bag right there. It's a bag with seasonings, and I didn't have anything to put them in, so I just toss it right there. Down there is the baking stuff, cutting board, and the griddles, and that's what's in that cabinet. And then I put the pot cover lids in the basket, and then the pots down there, and that's what I did for that cabinet. In the Lazy Susan, it has the crock pot and more of Hobby's grilling stuff. And this cabinet, I put the bottles, well, Tiana's cups and utensils, because they couldn't fit in the other one beside over the stove. I did not get to clean the refrigerator either, but I did a deep clean of it the other day, so it does not need. I just wanted to wipe it down, but I did not get to do that, so I'll definitely do that afterwards. Now that's in that basket is just extra mittens and plates, towels and stuff. That one has forks and spoons and all that good stuff. And the cups, as you guys can see, I placed them there, and bottles, the big cups and bottles at least. And that's more forks. And Talia's bottle that she does not use. I don't know why we bought it, because and up at the top we have the cups and Hobby's grilling stuff and Ziploc bags, all that good stuff. And then over here I got these are all the lids, because we do a lot of meal prepping, so we use a lot of storage dishes. So these are all the lids, and up here is all the dish, so whatever that lid. And up here we got plates, cups, and some more storage dish. Again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love y'all. Happy New Year again.